Masaya, kakain. Malungkot, kakain. Bored, kakain. Yeah, food is life. Tusok-tusok, ihaw-ihaw, chichirya, kanin, ulam, kanin, ulam, kanin. Repeat. Fast food, samji, OMG. Ang takaw ko pala talaga. Isa pang super favorite ko, simula noon, hanggang ngayon, ito pa rin yung hinahanap-hanap kong inumin. Like, iced tea. And merong specific brand. As in. Pero sa ilang taon ko na pagkain and pag-inom ko ng mga binanggit ko na food and drinks, sabi nga ng mga matatanda, hindi naman dahil ngayon mo ginawa, ngayon mo rin mararanasan yung epekto. So, ayun na nga, medyo I learned the lesson the hard way. That was the time that I realized that health is wealth. What I realized is that you need to take care of yourself pala. It's good to start eating healthy bata ka pa lang. Para diba, fresh pa rin ng 40s, ganyan.